We're circling in a roundabout, Amy.
Going to the motherland.
We're circling in the roundabout, going to the motherland. Oh yes, Amy is here. Her heritage is deep. And we have come to Sacramento, to IKEA.
It's like a beacon
It pulls you in.
of blue and yellow goodness.
Now, Amy's mother was full-blown Swedish. Full-blown Swedish.
100% sweet.
Which makes Amy a half.
Yeah.
And every once in a while, the meatballs and the lingonberries call. And so do very complicated Allen wrench furnishings. Apparently it's great to see us. That's how you say hello in Swedish. And look, it's a dollar horse. First you go through the showrooms and look around at all the stuff. And then you go to the impulse buy section.
I have found Chris in his natural habitat.
You may not know this about me, but I have a thing about chairs.
He loves chairs.
I love a good chair.
Loves them.
And I like these kind where you can...
You like a mid-century modern. Yeah.
They have these little houses set up, kind of like a haunted maze. But if you just want to look at Swedish things and don't want to be scared. If you need a place to display your high-end sneaker collection, they've got you covered here at IKEA. Do you know what my marker of wealth and classiness is?
What?
This. Oh, when it closes smooth.
Meet the Whittlers.
Kind of like when we were kids in the cassette tape players. If your cassette tape player opened like this, you were poor. If it opened like this, you were rich. You can tell Swedish people are skinny people. Because look at this desk. Look at these drawers. What are you going to fit in that? Like, I know this is a kid's room, but I want my room to look like this now. Wanna get some food?
Chris, look at how's your favorite.
I hate peas. What is this, Disneyland?
It's gonna be a 45-minute wait.
Look at that line. Everybody wants Swedish meatballs.
They're good.
All right, it is cafeteria style. And you start at the desserts. Dessert duo, almond cake. Yeah, get it. Let's do it up. Now, I don't see a lot of people taking salads. We got a salad. We're going to be healthy, too. We're going to get the ball drop. Ball drop. Look at all those balls. That's it. Thank you. Look at all that goodness.
Here we have on our plates a very traditional Swedish meal.
Of course, we didn't just get the Swedish meal. We got a smorgasbord, which is a very Swedish thing to do. We got lots of food.
You've got your little flag.
We've planted our flag in meatballs.
A little dip in the lingonberry. It's kind of like cranberry.
Lingonberry is right there, yeah. Okay, it's a Swedish thing.
It's like Christmas Eve.
Okay, I got a little lingonberry on my pork. A little bit of the gravy. It's kind of like a creamy gravy. I'm gonna try one of these meatballs. There was a certain meat that we had in my school cafeteria that they just called them a chuck wagon. And I don't know what they were. But these meatballs kind of taste a little bit like that, only good. Those weren't very good, but this is a good version of my childhood school cafeteria chuck wagon meat patty. kind of like a Salisbury steak in a ball form.
That's a good way to put it.
Now, let's try to get you, like what I did with Stella, try to get you to do a thumbnail. Okay? Thumbnail with the meatball flag.
Oh no.
You're fine. You're fine. Ready? So just like a, or yay, or wow, or maybe try one more, like one more take. Like a, That's it. Here's something we learned today. If you join the IKEA family, which is like their loyalty club, it's free to sign up and you get free coffee anytime or hot tea. Free coffee at IKEA.
That's so worth it.
It's worth it. Now we're going to try the strawberry shortcake and chocolate almond thing. I think you probably know what a strawberry shortcake tastes like, but I'm going to try this. This is called the Dessert Duo. Dessert Duo. Yeah. It's like a little squashed German chocolate cake without any coconut,
Oh.
but it has that same kind of a flavor.
Okay.
It's really good. Look at a little cross section there. It's not marzipan, but it's kind of like an almond paste because marzipan's really sweet, right?
Yeah, we had marzipan on our wedding cake.
That's right. But this isn't super sweet, which is really good. But it's chocolatey, rich. Okay, new fan of this cake. And it's really good with your free coffee.
Yeah.
We've arrived at the land of impulse shopping.
Here we go.
What on earth is the overlogger sale?
Your pillows?
Look at all this overlogger. Candles, plants. The IKEA shopping carts are ingenious. Look, they go sideways. Pretty nifty. We haven't even made it past the first little bit of impulse buy land, and we've gotten 3 things. We've come across the first little thing of the seasonal stuff. There's Boo, Matt. Welcome, Matt.
Yeah.
We're covered on the welcome mat. We've got the little pumpkin up there with the black plant and lantern. Then there's candle holders down here. Little jack-o'-lantern candle holders for $4. Alright, here's some more things. Little pumpkin lights. They're cute. They're really cute. Look at the little ghost candle. And you always got to check in the as-is section for sure. And what trip to IKEA would be complete without a last-minute $1.25 hot dog?
Watch your mustard.
And one last free coffee.
It's free. It's free. We are family members. Because I'm Swedish. They said, yes, come on in.
I think anybody can sign up.
Oh. One more.
So the real reason we came to IKEA was to pick up Joshua's new couch that turns into a bed.
Couch that turns into a bed.
It's a transformer.
Couches in disguise. Oh, this is awesome. It's big.
Yeah, but you know one thing we did forget to do when we were putting it together?
What's that?
Show the cats!